Ever had that sinking feeling when your laptop refuses to spring to life? The panic, the frustration, the desperate hope for a simple solution? Well, fear not. Today, we're diving into a step-by-step guide to troubleshoot and potentially fix a laptop that won't turn on. First stop, power supply. Simple as it may seem, checking if your laptop is properly connected to a power source can save you a lot of headaches. While you're at it, give your power cable and adapter a once-over for any visible damage. Next up, the battery. If your laptop comes with a removable battery, try taking it out and then popping it back in. For those with non-removable batteries, a power cycle might do the trick. Hold down the power button for a good 15 seconds and see if that helps. Speaking of the power button, make sure it's not stuck or failing to make proper contact. It's a tiny piece of the puzzle, but crucial nonetheless. Moving on, we have external devices. Disconnect anything that's plugged into your laptop, USB drives, external hard drives, you name it. A faulty external device can sometimes be the culprit. Now let's turn our attention to the display. If your screen is as blank as a white canvas, you might be dealing with a display or graphics card issue. Next, consider the RAM. Reseating the RAM modules can sometimes be the magic fix you need. If you're comfortable with it, open up your laptop and give it a try. The hard drive is another potential suspect. A malfunctioning hard drive can stop your laptop from booting. Test its functionality by booting from a bootable USB drive or connecting it to another computer. Don't forget about overheating. A laptop that's too hot to handle can shut down and refuse to turn back on. Make sure your vents are dust-free and your cooling system is working like a charm. Finally, if you've exhausted all these steps and your laptop remains unresponsive, it might be time to consider the motherboard or other internal components. This is where professional help comes in handy. So, to recap, check the power supply, battery, power button, external devices, display, RAM, hard drive, and overheating. If all else fails, consider the motherboard or other internal components and seek professional help. If you've run through these steps and your laptop is still playing hard to get, it might be time to call in the experts. Remember, if your laptop is still under warranty, reaching out to the manufacturer's support might be your best bet. No matter what, don't lose hope. With a little patience and a bit of know-how, you might just be able to coax your laptop back to life.